Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. As early as 1400 years ago, there were records of dumplings in Chinese history. As the years change, it has gradually developed into a must-eat food for people to celebrate the Spring Festival every year. Especially for Northerners, boiled dumplings must be served on New Year's Eve. Today's recipe is boiled pork dumplings with Chinese cabbage. Let's get started. First, make a dough. Prepare 450 grams of all-purpose flour, 225 milliliters of water, 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Add salt to the flour. Slowly add water to the flour. While adding water, stir with chopsticks until all the water is used up. Knead them into a dough. Cover with plastic wrap. Let it rest for 40 minutes. Knead the dough once or twice during this time, about 1 minute, in order to make the dough softer. Next up, make the dumpling fillings. Prepare 400 grams of pork stuffing. The ratio of fat to lean is about 2 to 8. 320 grams of Chinese cabbage, chopped in a food processor. Transfer to a plate. Prepare some scallion and ginger water. 100 milliliters of hot water. 5 grams of ginger, 9 grams of scallion. Add them to a bowl. Let cool to room temperature. Look at other seasonings. 1 teaspoon of pepper powder, 1 teaspoon of spice powder, 1 teaspoon and a half of salt, 2 tablespoons of oil, 2 tablespoons of light soy sauce. Pick out the scallions and ginger in the water. Add seasonings to the minced pork. Slowly add the scallion and ginger water in batches. Combine well. Finally, add the shredded cabbage. Mix well. Dust some flour on the work surface. Knead the dough until the surface is smooth. About 3 minutes. Divide evenly into 3 parts. Take one part, knead into a round shape. Make a well in the middle. Form a donut shape. Cut the circle. Stretch out the dough and knead it into a long cylinder. Evenly cut into 16 small discs. Top with some flour. Flatten everyone. Roll out each one into a wrapper. with a rolling pin. Get 16 dumpling wrappers. Take a dumpling wrapper and put some fillings. Pinch the edges shut to form a half moon, just like this. Do the same for the rest wrappers. Make 16 dumplings. Boil a pot of water. Put in the dumplings. Do not cook too many dumplings at one time. Boil the water again. You can add cold water a few times during the cooking process. When the dumplings bulge and float on the water, they are almost cooked through. Transfer to a plate. Add 3 cloves of garlic to the mortar and pound with a pestle. Transfer to a small saucer. Add some vinegar. Use as a dipping sauce for the dumplings. This is the easiest and most suitable sauce I can remember. If you like today's recipe, give a try and subscribe for more Chinese cooking videos. Thank you for watching and see you next time.